In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the primary two-step verification method in GoDaddy. To get started, sign in to your GoDaddy account. Make sure you're using the correct account before making any security changes, since this area controls how you verify your identity when logging in. If you manage multiple accounts, take a quick moment to confirm you're in the right one. Once you're logged in, go to your account settings. This is where GoDaddy keeps your personal profile, login preferences, and account security options. From there, look for the section called Login and PIN and open it. This page contains the main settings related to how you access and protect your account. After that, scroll down until you find the two-step verification section. This is the part of the account where your extra sign-in methods are listed. If you have more than one verification option set up, be careful to identify the primary method correctly before removing anything. The primary method is the one GoDaddy uses first when confirming your identity. Next to the primary method, click Edit or Remove, depending on what appears on your screen. GoDaddy may slightly change the wording or layout from time to time, but the goal is the same. You want to open the options for that primary verification method. When the management window or settings panel opens, click Delete. This will begin the removal process for that primary two-step verification method. In some cases, GoDaddy may ask you to confirm the action before it is finalized. If that happens, carefully review the prompt and continue only if you're sure you want to remove that method. As a general tip, whenever you remove a security method from an account, it's a good idea to make sure you still have another way to access the account safely. Removing your primary verification option without confirming your remaining login methods could make account access more difficult later. Once the deletion is complete, the primary two-step verification method will no longer be active on your GoDaddy account. That's all you need to do. If you're following along, just move slowly through each screen and double-check what you select, especially in security settings. That helps prevent mistakes and makes the process much smoother.